Yo, what up, everybody? Alright, this is my first attempt at an air blog. I guess I'm calling it air blog. I was going to call it a drone blog. Maybe you guys can give me a better name. So, here's my first air blog. Figure you guys can watch me fly my drone around instead of looking at, I don't know, my screen of my phone. So, let's see here. Speeding ticket update. I went to the place where I bought the car. They could not get the information off the computer. My dash cam I bought from wish.com. It didn't record anything. Then I went to the actual Hyundai dealership and they said they couldn't get anything. So then I emailed Google Maps and they told me that they cannot go back in time and find out the speed you were going. So I really have no way of proving, which I'm not the one that's supposed to prove anything, but defending myself against the speed, other than a bunch of stuff I can make up myself. But anyway, I went through a lot of stuff with Pasco. I still could continue this stuff with Pasco if I wanted to. I'm thinking about making one more complaint video maybe. And then part 6 will be coming out soon. What else here? I got notes. I got notes, people. Paid memberships. I guess since I hit 100,000 subs, YouTube is letting me accept paid memberships. If you want to join this channel as a member, a paid member, it's $5 a month. And what I'm going to be doing for the paid members is like the bottom feeder videos. That's all bleeped out. You can hear that completely. The dude who's stalking me, he called the YouTube police on me and told them that I violated his privacy, even though he called me. So the part 1 video is going to be a members only video, and then the part 2 video I'm going to publish there, and then I'll make it public for a couple days, and then it's going private again for members only because he called the YouTube police on me. What else will I offer paid members? Unedited videos, and then I'll early release. That's a pretty cool shot of the boat, I gotta say. My piloting skills. I risked crashing to get that boat shot right there. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Every video I make will be released to the private paid members first. It might be a day early, at least a day early, if not a week or two, because I don't work on a schedule. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys would like me to just put up everything I got immediately, but I have a lot of stuff and I keep trying to think of new ideas. For instance, let's see here. Paid memberships. Oh, my next video, or not my next video, one of my upcoming videos will be, you know, people say, police pay taxes too. Cops love this. I pay taxes too, so I pay myself. No, bro, you don't pay taxes, and I'll make a video explaining that. Pasco County Police Corruption Part 6. That's Candy Vanderkar, Judge Candy Vanderkar, that very handsome judge. Some lady, I forget her name, I get so many messages, and I'm sorry guys, but she told me that Vanderkar's husband is a pain management doctor, and sure enough, she sent me articles about him and how he got in a little bit of trouble pushing those pain pills, I believe. Might do a video about that. I want to thank Luke. He sends me stuff all the time, good stuff. I can't keep up with it all. I want to thank people at the Free Thought Project who actually cover real police accountability stuff, unlike Cream-Filled Donut. Jesse's my man. I'm going to try to get him on as many videos as possible. We have a good chemistry together. What else? Vanderkar, paid membership, Stalkers. So yeah, Stalker, this part 2 Stalker will be on for paid members. If you want to become a paid member, hit the join button. It's $5 a month. If you can, I appreciate it. If you can't, I completely understand. You don't have to. That's what's great about capitalism. It's voluntary. You know, the exact opposite of what government likes. Things that are voluntary, like, you know, unlike driver's licenses, unlike traffic code, unlike victimless crime laws, etc., etc., etc. I can go on and on. How much time do I have left? About a minute. So this is my first air blog. I love all of you. I want to thank Jesse. I want to thank Luke. I want to thank all the people who send me awesome stuff that I can't get to and can't cover because I'm only one dude. You can see there in the video there, the road that's coming across in the bottom left-hand corner. There's me parked in my car. How cool is that? I believe the sinkhole's somewhere in this video too. So all right, I'm running out of time. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for all my subscribers. I'm trying to think of a cool idea to do if I ever get my silver award plaque thing in the mail. And please join. If you can, I understand. I'll still publish the videos, except the ones that are like controversial and that I haven't published, which are, there's a few of those. And I'll try to make the paid community. It'll be posted under the community tab for members only. All right, everybody. Bye. I love you. Subscribe. Join everything. I love you. Bye.